Let's sing Snail Snow, because I have a secret to tell you today. Here we go. Snail, 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 go around and round and round. Let's put it on our bodies. Here we go. Snail, 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 go around and round and round. Let's paint it in the air. Snail, 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 go around and round and round. The past couple weeks we've been discovering that the snails do not live in the same spot, and we learned that they live in a pattern of high and low. So now let's sing Snail Snow with the high and low. Here we go, high, low, go around and round and round. Now here's the secret. In music, we actually have a secret language, like our tas and tatties, to describe where the notes live high and low. And we have secret hand signs to show them too. So in music, when we have a high note, we call it so, and the hand sign looks like this. You look at your palms, and the back of your hand faces the people opposite you. So, and when we have a low note in music, we call it me, M-I, and you put your hands down like this, like you're pushing on the floor. So me, just like that. So we're going to sing Snail Snow with words, and then repeat it with our new so's and our me's. Ready, here we go. Snail, 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 so me, so me. Now we're going to do the same thing with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 other songs that you already know that have so's and me's in them. So what we'll do is I'll sing a phrase, and then we'll sing it back together with our hand signs with so's and me's, and we'll keep going through until we get them all done. Ready? On Rain, Rain, Go Away. Here I sing, rain, rain, go away. So me, so me. Doggy, doggy. Doggy, doggy, where's your bone? So me, so me. Cobbler, cobbler, the first 2 phrases, watch. Cobbler, cobbler, mend my shoe. So me, so me. Get it done by 2:30. So me, so me. 2:30 is at the door. Get it done by 4:30. Seesaw up and down. Are you ready? Seesaw up and down. So me, so me. In the air and on the ground. So me, so me. Apple tree is our last one. Just the first part. Apple tree, so me, so me. And now you know our secret language. So for high, me for low. So looks like this, me looks like this. You can do both hands, or you can do one hand. That's the fun thing, is you get to pick.